Myself Ravi Kumar, working as embedded programmer at Spyro Solutions Private Limited. The concept that I am here to describe is visual control for home lighting system with Zigbee protocol. The main objective of this project is to reduce standby power. In the existing system, there are many technologies to reduce the power wastage, but there is no technology to reduce the standby power. It is necessary to reduce the standby power so that the conservation will be effective. In the proposed system, we are making use of wireless technologies to reduce this power. Let us take a look at the block diagram. This is the block diagram of home section. It consists of photo detector and the devices, and also a Zigbee transceiver for transferring the information. In the control section, there is a PC for providing the control. Through the Zigbee transceiver, the controls will be transmitted to the home section. There are 4 modes of operation. We can classify these modes into 2, automatic and manual. In manual modes, there are 3 modes of operations. They are on and off, scheduling and dimming. On and off means we can just on or off by providing the controls through PC. And in scheduling, we can schedule the devices on and off on time basis. And in dimming mode, based on the luminance obtained from the photo detector, we can set our luminance values, which will be adjusted in the home section. In automatic mode, once automatic mode is selected, in the home section, the microcontroller will get the sensed values from photo detector, and it will automatically adjust the luminance of the room using the LED arrays. This will be very useful when implemented in real time to reduce standby power.